It is day 2 of the Day 1 Diva Takeover. That's right, we got the t-shirt. We official. Listen, we are official, legit Day 1 Diva Takeover divas today. Listen, we getting ready to go to the Alamo. We heard wonderful things about it. We just had an amazing private brunch experience. If you did not watch that video yet, please go back and watch it. But it was wonderful. We done ate good. Now it's time to go for a little ride and go check out the Alamo. You ready, Lily?
I'm ready.
We ready. Oh, Ryan ready too. Here she come. Hallelujah. We're walking downtown, trying to get to the Alamo. Of course we late. It's just what we do. It's only 3:01 though. So I mean, given the circumstance, we ain't that late.
For the day.
Okay, so change of plans. Alamo will be tomorrow. Today we're gonna do the Riverwalk.
I can see you. Can't stop it running through me.
So we're inside one of the gift shops here at the Riverwalk. Oh, they have gelato. Gelato looks good. And more gelato. Alright, so we got some souvenirs. We got some t-shirts, some purses. Happiness is chips and salsa. We got some Selena shirts on here, Shay Shay. There go y'all buddy from the street last night.
You know what?
The Voodoo Donut here. We are approaching the lock bridge. Finally. Look at all these locks. So, fun fact. We assumed that there would be some place nearby to purchase locks to put on the lock bridge. You know what happens when you assume, right? Yep, that happened. So, we don't have locks. And there's nowhere to buy locks, at least that we found so far. So, we're gonna take another look around, see if we can find some. To do the Riverwalk tour, which is a boat tour actually. You go through Grille and book your tickets. The tickets are $14.50 for adults. I think they were a little bit cheaper for kids, but we're in line right now. It's kind of a long line, but it seems to be moving fast. But you just go online, book your ticket, and then you get a QR code, and then you scan your QR code, and you get on. The The history of the San Antonio Riverwalk dates back to the 18th century. It was initially developed to control flooding and later transformed into a vibrant tourist district. There are so many vibrant attractions along the Riverwalk, such as the Alamo, the Pearl District, San Antonio Museum of Art. Lots to do here. And there are so many diverse dining and shopping options available along the Riverwalk. From local Tex-Mex cuisine to unique boutiques, there is something for everyone to enjoy.
If you guys want a really good view of Tower of America, go ahead and start looking towards the upper right side. I want you guys to look past the trees, because look what's there. Now, what's really interesting about Tower of America, you guys, is that there is 4 ways up to the top. A lot of people always forget about the 4th way because it is closed. So the 3 ways that are open is actually known as elevators. But the 4th way is by stairs. Antonio. Yeah, inside they got 125 retail stores, 6 restaurants on the 1st level, and Dave & Buster's on the 3rd. They got a Legoland. If you guys look up on the 2nd level, you'll notice they got a giant dinosaur. They got 2 movie theaters. One's an IMAX movie theater. One is an AMC movie theater. They got rock climbing. I mean, you guys have got a lot of stuff, a lot of different activities you have to do here. But guess what they also have? A Starbucks.
There's also many annual events that take place on the Riverwalk, like the Ford Holiday River Parade, the Fiesta San Antonio, just to name a few.
Now, the bridge right here in front of us with the American flag attached to it, that is going to be the one and only Selena Bridge. So what's going to happen is I'm going to ready to tie us down here on the left side versus the right side. So if you guys need to back over, you'll cross over on the Selena Bridge.
We are about to walk across the Selena Bridge. Where you see Wesley? Right there. Oh. All right, y'all. So we are back from, where did we go? The Riverwalk. Y'all, it's hot. Riverwalk. San Antonio's hot. Don't play with the San Antonio heat, like for real. Prepare yourself. Take some water. Take some sunscreen. It's hot. We're gonna take a few pictures, and then we're gonna get ready for Summer Sexy Night. You guys, we ended the night with our annual Summer Sexy Night dinner. We started doing this every time we take a girls trip, and it's just a way for us to get all dressed up and pretty and feel good and have a nice meal.